trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down dirty.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Rpgshow wigs. Guys, I am so in love with this wig. This wig, yeah. So this is the ash brunettes with caramel blonde highlights, and I love this hair color. I love the wig. I love everything about this wig. So this is a 13x6 lace front wig. As you guys can see, it goes all the way to the back, and as usual the wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached. I literally didn't have to do anything to this wig aside from install and style the wig. And when it comes to the lace as well, this is what the hairline looks like, and I literally installed this wig straight out of the box. I didn't have to customize, didn't have to do anything. I'm just so impressed. So if you want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching.
You want some love, like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? And follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, but we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. trust is not supposed to let us know how to go. But we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to?
Ooh, this hair, this wig, this blonde, the highlights, guys, this is top notch. Like, I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. Like, let me just add some concealer. I don't really need to because you guys can see, because the knots were bleached perfectly and you can see it, but I'm just being extra. So yeah guys, this is the finished results. This is the end look, and I'm just so in love with this wig. Like, I don't think I need to say too much. The hair speaks for itself. Like, the hair speaks for itself. So like I said, this wig is from Rpgshow wigs. You guys know how I feel when it comes to Rpgshow wigs. I feel like the quality, you can just tell they took their time with every single detail, from the highlights to the lace to the plucking, the bleaching. Everything is literally on point. So this is what the wig looks like. This is where it's up to. And I don't know if you guys noticed, whilst I was curling the hair, I didn't curl the hair all the way to the tips, just so I can kind of have like this, I don't know what you call this type of curls, but I just wanted to try something different. So yeah. And also when it comes to the lace, this is what it looks like, guys. Seamless. The lace looks seamless. It looks so good. I didn't do anything to this hairline. This is exactly how the wig came. I installed it straight from the box, and everything is just on point, literally on point. You're getting your money's worth. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box. Let me know what you think of this wig. I'm in love with this wig. I don't know about you, but I like the wig. The blonde, the highlights, I love it. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.